Okay, Black Balsam Knob to Shining Rock Wilderness via the Investor Gap Trail. Investor Gap for like the first 2.5 miles is like, you can drive a car down it, like a 4x4. Super easy path, flat, pretty easy to carry gear if you had to come out here and hike. Then it turns into this little single track. Classic. Look, on one side you got rhododendrons and mountain laurels popping off. On the other side you got a view over here. So here we go to Shining Rock Wilderness. Okay, an hour and 20 minutes into the Investor Gap Trail, almost 4.5 miles. Look at that thing. Here, me for scale. Majestic. At some point up here, it merges with Art Loeb. I make a left. Oh, here we go. Art Loeb Trail, Investor Gap. I want to go see some rocks. Cold. Old Butt Knob. Let me go check the map. Must be getting close. Look at this guy. Big old white rock. Holy cow. Shining Rock Wilderness is super cute. So I took the easy way here, the Investor Gap Trail. Hour and 20 minutes, 4 miles, a little over 4 miles. I'm here. The white rocks are right on the other side of this thing. I'm eating some combos, taking a break. Super, super cool. Can't wait to take the dogs out here one day. So there's this amazing open area here. Should have come here maybe a month ago with all these azaleas blooming. It would have been shocking. Look at all of these rhododendrons and laurels and the view and the shining rocks. Shining Rock Wilderness is beautiful. Stunning. Look at these rocks over here. One little note, just about the Shining Rock Trail, there's lots of videos of rocks and things like that. But you get really up close to Mother Nature. It's a cute little campsite right there. Okay. You ready for this? Okay. Mother Nature's great. Get out here. I do recommend, wearing, long sleeves and long pants, as you will be touching things and things will be touching you. Okay, so that was Shining Rock. Now it's time to head back to my car via the Art Loeb Trail. There we go. Yay! Look what I found, y'all. Found some Flame Azaleas. There we go. It's on this lovely trail. Art Loeb Trail. Coming back from Shining Rock. On my way to Black Balsam now. But there's some more. Hey, look at that. Not bad at all. Not a bad day. Okay, almost 8 miles into Shining Rock. We're on the way back. Coming up on Black Balsam. That might be it. Or maybe that's it. Or it's on the other side of that. Here we go. Made it to Black Balsam now. So here we are at the end of the trail. Found some more Flame Azaleas. Okay, a little over 10 miles. 4 hours and 45 minutes. It was a great day. Thank you for coming with me. And look, I've got more rhododendron on the way out. I have an idea.